lightsaber's blade. If you've studied the histories, you know the blue, wielded by the greatest of them all, Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice, Anakin Skywalker, and now the new Jedi Rey. Green, the crystal of Kenobi's teacher, Qui-Gon Jinn. Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. Violet, well, that's the rarest. As far as we know, one of the few masters to wield it was named Mace Windu. Red is power. Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, the great Lord Vader, a Sith so powerful he could balance the Force with his own hand. And now Kylo Ren. But these are the stories of the past. We're here for you. You're the future. It's time for you to select a kyber crystal. Please, with me, close your eyes and see the crystals in your mind. Blue, green, violet, and red. You must reach out with your feelings. Which one is calling to you? Open your eyes. Take the first step on your path. Been forced underground. This workshop is all we have left. Now this may look like a lot of old junk, but let me assure you, some of this is new junk. My associates you've met. You may call me Kembe. We are the gatherers. We've devoted our lives to preserving what we call the old knowledge, the ancient arts. We're academics. We travel the galaxy searching for relics. Only in forgotten places, though, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets. Whatever we find, we bring here. If a stormtrooper ever gets into this room, he'll see worthless clutter, but we see priceless history. Friends, in this time, preserving our past is our best chance of ensuring our future. I'm sure you heard the legend of the great Jedi, Luke Skywalker, yes?
Yes.
We hear there is another, a new Jedi. And she's a scrapper like us. Does anyone here know her name?
Rey.
Rey, she's the spark of hope that we've been waiting for. That's why we're meeting now. We believe with Rey's appearance, it's time to bring the old knowledge back and build lightsabers again. The lightsaber has been wielded by our greatest heroes and more than a few of our enemies. This is an elegant weapon, younglings. Also enigmatic. Building a lightsaber is an art. The saber reflects the builder. The Force flows between them. Today, all of you will feel the connection. But enough talk. Let's begin. We'll begin with the most important element of the weapon. You may know it as a kyber crystal. These tiny crystals are the beating heart of every lightsaber. They're able to focus the energy of the Force, even magnify it. You see, it's the square holder there in front of you on the workbench. Once the crystal is safely out of your way, you can begin constructing your lightsaber. Now, when I say lightsaber, what I'm actually talking about is the hilt. The hilt is the weapon. It's all you need. The hilt is not only the center of control, it's the part that prevents your hands from disintegrating. Now, my fellow gatherers, you'll see these trays are not the same, but you have one part in common. It's on your left, a long, thin tube called the chassis that houses the kyber crystal. Your decisions begin on the right with activation plates, then left again. You'll select sleeves, emitter caps, and poly. Lovely. Now, we're going to protect the crystal with activation plates. Pick up one of those.
slide up, it deactivates slide down. Alright, congratulations.
You can swap the saber out of your fighting hand to your offhand unexpectedly. Now the whole purpose of the maneuver is to surprise your opponent by revealing your dominant hand to wield the force against him and knock them off balance. Pretty sneaky. Go ahead, pick it up with your offhand, the hand you don't normally use. Now, friends, in your hands you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should never be dropped on the ground. So, as you depart, we're going to equip you with a saber sheath to protect your new lightsaber. It's time to make your mark on the galaxy. Always remember, you're just as extraordinary as the lightsaber you built. Who knows? Maybe next time I'll be telling your story in this little shop as the end of the world.